In this video, I will show you how to rotate any video or image in Premiere Pro. And before we go any further, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and consider sharing this video with others. So let's get started. So in order to rotate the video, you have to come to the Effects control panel in the Premiere Pro. If it is not shown over here, just go to the Windows and select the Effects control panel. And that way this would be available anywhere, right? And then in the motion option, you will have this rotation option. So you just hover your mouse over it and you can move it, and right now you can see that the video is being rotated. So you can rotate it to any direction the way you like. So this is the rotation, and if you want to reset or revert back to the original version, just click on this reset icon and that would reset the video. So thank you so much. This is how you can rotate the video in Premiere Pro. See you in the next video.